Okay, thank you for logging on to Performance Unlimited. What we're looking at here now happens to be a 454 with 475 horsepower. This one happens to be custom painted red for the customer with red wires. This also happens to have a complete full boat more serpentine kit on here. What we'd like to do here is fire this up and show you how this beautiful big block runs. Again, this 454 is priced to sell with horsepower behind it. What a beast. For the money, I don't think anybody's putting this kind of motor out there. This happens to be a late model 454 block. Happens to have a full roller rise engine with a roller camshaft, roller lifters, roller rockers. Happens to have a high-rise intake on here. Edelbrock carb, MSD distributor, aluminum heads. This thing is fantastic for the money. Let's fire it up and let the motor speak for itself. Anybody looking for a 454 with some tremendous horsepower? Here it is. Performance Unlimited, 1-800-267-3940. Again, every engine we build here is custom built in-house. You choose color, wire color, we go ahead and build.